Today, cloud computing is enabling businesses to be productive and innovative like never before. The cloud is connected, dynamic, and diverse, and offers agility that cannot be matched by traditional infrastructure. However, as a customer, it is hard to ignore the major hacks that are attacking cloud-based businesses. Cloud vendors only advocate a shared responsibility security model when they commit to protecting their own cloud infrastructure without extending protection to your applications and data on their cloud. Ultimately, the customer is responsible to protect their own assets in the cloud. When organizations migrate applications to the cloud, security is often the main concern. The IT security team is worried that cloud is more vulnerable than an on-premise data center. Additionally, the DevOps team believes that adding security to the cloud will slow them down. With Checkpoint CloudGuard, we believe that the cloud can be as secure as your physical data center, and that cloud security can be as dynamic and agile as your cloud operation. Security should be an enabler for your cloud adoption, for your cloud perimeter security, and for true east-west protection inside your private and public cloud. CloudGuard gives you the best protection. At Checkpoint, we invented the stateful firewall. Since then, we have been a Gartner Magic Quadrant leader for 20 years straight. We have been recommended by NSS 14 times in the past 7 years, and we constantly display the industry's best cyber catch rate. We serve over 100,000 customers around the world and secure over 90% of Fortune 500 companies. CloudGuard utilizes over 20 years of Checkpoint experience and leading security technologies to secure your cloud. CloudGuard is unique in being a truly multi-cloud security solution. It can be used to secure all the popular cloud platforms, on-premise data centers, and public IaaS. Regardless of your cloud of choice, with CloudGuard, your cloud security will be managed from a single pane of glass. From one console, you can share policies and rules between different cloud suppliers and gain visibility to your cloud security posture across different platforms. We understand that you are choosing cloud to achieve automation and agility, yet DevOps and application owners see legacy security as a showstopper. Security can no longer be static. It must be as automated and agile as your cloud. Checkpoint Adaptive Security allows organizations to keep their cloud agile and protected at the same time. You no longer use IP addresses. Rather, you use dynamic cloud objects. This means that you and your team can have easy-to-understand cloud applications in your security policies and logs instead of obscure IP addresses. Let us show you just how simple it is. We can use Checkpoint Adaptive Security to connect a web VPC within AWS to a database VMs inside your on-premise VMware data center. Using cloud dynamic objects instead of static IPs doesn't only look better on your screen, it makes your security more agile and dynamic than you can imagine. For example, DevOps and application owners can make changes to cloud networking as well as to VM's IP addresses or names, and the security policy will automatically be updated. There is no need to open a ticket and wait for a few days. You can add VMs to your application and your security policy will dynamically stay updated, while your virtual security gateways will automatically scale as needed. You can spin up a new application. CloudGuard will automatically secure it from the first moment. And you can terminate a virtual machine. CloudGuard will clean up the policy when cloud objects get deleted. CloudGuard Adaptive Security allows you to innovate faster.
Security should not slow you down when you move to the cloud. It shouldn't be a showstopper. With Checkpoint, you get the confidence to get the best protections when you move your applications to the cloud. Yet at the same time, you get the most agile, the most automated security for your DevOps to be innovative. Send us an email today and we will introduce you to one of our cloud architects. They will be your trusted security advisor during your cloud journey. Checkpoint CloudGuard. security at the speed of DevOps.